my wardrobe over in January, these are the pieces I'll buy first. Not trendy, not complicated, but pieces you actually wear. Hey, I'm Jaquila, and if you're building a realistic wearable wardrobe that fits real life, you're in the right place. Here for a short time, not a long time, so let's get started. January is when everyone wants a whole new wardrobe, but honestly, you just need the right staple pieces. Start with a good coat you actually wear, and my go-to coats that I wear for the winter is my trench coat and my Sherpa brown coat, because I can dress them up and I can dress them down, and they go with just about any and everything. This is the trench coat that I wear all the time, and it goes well with what I have on. And what I have on, I didn't go over first, but this sweater that I got from Quince, it's actual Mongolian cashmere, and it is so soft, so comfortable. And the pants I got from Spanx, these are leggings. I've shown these before. I wear these a lot. They're really thick, and you cannot see through them, so that's a good thing that I love and enjoy. But here is the trench coat that I would definitely purchase first if I was starting my wardrobe over, because it's comfortable. One, it stretches. It goes with everything. This look here, it goes with this all black outfit. It goes with some jeans, or basically what I'm saying is you can dress it up, you can dress it down. Next jacket is, this is like a Sherpa jacket. It's so warm. It has a really good lining in it, and it's like a double-breasted jacket, and it goes with just about anything, and it can elevate any kind of look. It has deep pockets. It's really warm if you need it for those really cold days, like we have this winter storm that's coming. This would be my coat that I would wear if I was leaving to go out, and it goes well with this all black outfit. These sneakers that I chose to pair with this outfit, and it goes well with any kind of business look, any kind of like upscale look. So get you a good coat that's warm and that can go with just about anything. I chose brown. This coat is from, I can never pronounce it, it's a Beak Les Feliz, and I actually got this thrifted. It was brand new from this thrift store that I frequent at here in my city, and it was on sale for $60, but this coat normally priced at $300 from Anthropologie. I think it's Anthropologie, which sells this particular coat, and it was a really good deal. So thrifting is always a good go-to thing if you want to, find something that vintage, or that's original, because those pieces are passed down or given away by people who've already worn it. So lightly used is always a go-to. Or if you want to purchase something else, I would definitely link all the looks that I'm showing here in this video, so don't worry. But this is the second coat. What you think? I've shown it before, but this is definitely my staple go-to coat that I actually wear. Next staple piece that I really enjoy is this sweater that I'm wearing right now. I have it in multiple colors. I have it in a lighter gray and a darker gray, and the sweater is so comfortable. I'm gonna show you a close-up. It's really soft. It's not sure what Mongolian cashmere is, but it feels close to regular cashmere. And I wear this sweater. I can dress it up, I can dress it down like I have on today with these barrel jeans and these clogs from Veronica Beard. But what's so special about this sweater, it only costs $50. And Quince have like multiple colors. They have at least maybe 6 to 8 colors of this sweater. So it's a really great sweater. It's not too heavy. It's really, it's not thin either. So it's a good staple to have if you want to pair it with like something like I did earlier with the leggings. And now I have on these jeans with them. And you can basically do a lot with this sweater and wear it with different jackets. I'm gonna show you how we can keep elevating this look. Just put this sweater on with this trench coat. I didn't check to see if this actually matched, but it is working out in my favor today. So here is a look, and also we're gonna keep going. This bag here, I got from BCBG. It's a great structured bag, and it kind of makes this look expensive, but not expensive. This bag I actually got from Nordstrom Rack. Cost me $35, so you don't have to wear expensive things to look expensive. So this look kind of like is a good go-to look. I would probably, I don't know, probably keep these little clogs on with this outfit and go for any kind of outdoor event, or errand run, a brunch, whatever it may be. But this is the look. Sorry, I forgot to let you know I have on. These are from a Goldie, and the clogs that I have on are from Veronica Beard that I got from Nordstrom Rack. But Birkenstock also have a really good pair of clogs that I like as well. And these are really great shoes that kind of throw on when you want to just run out really quick. And sweater is from Quince, and they have multiple colors, and it's inexpensive. These pants are definitely an investment. So they are normally priced over around $200, but I wear these pants with just about every single thing in my closet. So, you know, price per wear is always important, and they're really comfortable, great quality. They don't stretch, but they are not tight. So it has a lot of benefits to it. So whenever you're looking to purchase some good pair of jeans, those are the things I look for. Whether there's elastic in it, whether the quality is good, and that there's some type of structure to it, so it doesn't like lose its look. Some good everyday jeans. I know you thought those jeans were a good fit for everyday jeans, but these jeans that I have on are made by Paige, and they have been with me for such a long time through different sizes. Currently at a larger size than I normally am, but these jeans stretch with me and they do not lose their structure. I think I've had these jeans maybe like 4 years now, and any jeans from Paige are great quality. They're made for women with different body types, and they don't make you feel like you need to go up on a size, because they provide that elastin material inside all their jeans. Well, not all, I mean, I say all, but the ones I brought, they have it in their jeans. So these have been with me for a long time, and these are my go-to everyday jeans that I can dress up and dress down. But this is the dress down look. This crop, call them shackets, is from Express. I just got these clogs on. Probably wouldn't typically, you know what? I probably would wear these. Probably put on some like black or brown socks so my feet doesn't get cold, and put on with a nice cute little purse. And I put on this crop top with it, so it could, you know, doesn't look too bulky. And the crop top is from Nordstrom Rack, as you may see. Nordstrom Rack is one of my favorite stores, but these jeans are my favorite. And they have like their little distressed look in the back, distressed look in the knees. I'm sure these jeans are not on their website because I brought them years ago, but I will link something similar. And here's a look, or here's a staple piece. Finding a good pair of everyday jeans that you can wear with multiple things, but I'm gonna show you how you can dress this look up with these jeans. I just elevated this look. I just put on a blazer. This is an oversized blazer that I got from Express, and I just wrap it and put a belt with it. This is a leopard belt I got from Banana Republic years ago, and I just tucked it in the end inside the band. And these shoes I got from Veronica Beard, Nordstrom Rack as well. And I got on that same purse that I showed earlier, and I just removed the straps and that's the look of these jeans. So these jeans can do, you know, I can be dressed down or dress it up. So if you're afraid of distressed jeans, don't be, because you can kind of elevate the look any kind of way. I will link everything that I have on. So here's the look for my everyday jean. A good go-to outer layer, that could be a blazer, that could be a coat, that could be a sweater, an oversized sweater or a cardigan. But I chose this blazer that I got from Express, and I love the buttons on it. It's giving navy kind of look, I guess. So anyway, me on a tangent, but I decided to put on those same jeans, these pumps from Veronica Beard, and this bag from Pauline is a structured bag as well. So it pulls everything together. The gold buttons on here kind of gives it a little more detail. So finding a good go-to layer that you can pair with just about any and everything. This is a more specific look, but like that trench coat. Also, I want to show you something else. Also, a really good crop trench coat. I wear this all the time, when especially it goes well with like high-waisted pants. It kind of gives that it sections off the body, you know, really well, and it's one of my staples that I go to every single time. If it's not, whenever the weather is kind of not warm but not really too cold, I pull this out and it elevates the look. And this goes with everything. Expand what other options are out there that you can kind of pair this look with. So this is a good outer layer, a good go-to outer layer to put in your wardrobe. Next on the list, a good go-to structure bag. As you've seen, I've styled this purse with maybe 3 outfits, and this purse is a really good bag. It can be a handheld bag, or it can be a crossover bag, but a good structured bag can change the look of an outfit, because if the outfit is kind of plain, you can elevate the look with a nice cute bag, and you know, not be over styled, but just perfectly styled. I don't know if that's a thing, but you know, I like things that look simple and neutral and classy. So this is kind of, this is a go-to look for me. And I purchased this from Nordstrom Rack, but I've seen this on Quince and other websites, and I'll link this purse and then the strap. And there's the look, hands-free, which I like. I go to boots that I wear ad nauseum or all the time are these Chelsea boots. They are so comfortable. I can wear these all day without my feet hurting, and they stretch, they go with everything. You can dress them up, you can dress them down. I decided to pair them with these jeans. And also I'm going to show you here how I dressed it up as well. So this is a look, and they're really comfortable, from Steve Madden. But I think I've seen a few other sites that had these shoes, but I don't know if they're gonna be as comfortable as the ones I got from Steve Madden. And I've had these for a while, and these are my go-to winter boots that I wear all the time because I want to be comfortable, but I want to be fashionable, and this does both for me. So this is why I wear them all the time, and it goes well with this jacket and this crop top and that cute black structured bag that I had on earlier. So here's a look. If you're rebuilding your wardrobe in a realistic way, no pressure, no over shopping, subscribe and stay with me. Talk to you next time. Bye.